Hello students, welcome back to our class. In this class we have to discuss all the important multiple choice questions from a geography 11th chapter India natural disasters. Okay, let's begin. The first question is the most destructive atmospheric disaster is options are floods, tropical cyclones, landslides, earthquakes. Right answer option B, tropical cyclones. Next question. In India, the eastern coast is more prone to options are floods, avalanches, landslides, cyclones. Right answer option D, cyclones. Next question. In peninsular India, dash occur occasionally. Options are floods, cyclones, landslides, earthquakes. Right answer option A. In peninsular India, floods occur occasionally. Next one. In India, dash are occur very often in hilly states. Options are floods, cyclones, landslides, earthquakes. Right answer option C. In India, landslides are occur very often in hilly states. Next question. Coastal erosion is mostly caused by dash action. Options are landslides, earthquakes, waves, winds. Right answer option C, waves. Next question. In India, most of the tropical cyclones develop in options are the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Lakshadweep. Right answer option A, the Bay of Bengal. Next question. The eastern coast is more prone to cyclones because options are most of the tropical cyclones develop in the Bay of Bengal. Most of the tropical cyclones develop in Lakshadweep. Most of the tropical cyclones develop in the Indian Ocean. Most of the tropical cyclones develop in the Arabian Sea. Right answer option A. Most of the tropical cyclones develop in the Bay of Bengal. Next one. The sliding of land mass along steep slopes of hills or mountains is called. Options are floods, earthquakes, cyclones, landslides. Right answer option D, landslides. Next one. Tropical cyclones occur mainly in India during options are the northwest monsoon season, the southeast monsoon season, the northeast monsoon season, the southwest monsoon season. Right answer option C, the northeast monsoon season. Next one. The recurring disaster in India is options are earthquakes, floods, coastal erosion, landslides. Right answer option B, floods. Next question. Mangrove forest and other deep rooted trees can be grown along the coastal line to check the impact of options are earthquakes, floods, landslides, cyclonic winds. Right answer option D, cyclonic winds. Next one. The inundation of land by river water is known as options are floods, landslides, earthquakes, coastal erosion. Right answer option A, floods. Next question. The natural cause for landslides is options are hydropower projects, earthquakes, railway lines, mining. Right answer option B, earthquakes. Next one. The disaster that associated with the atmosphere is options are flood, landslide, earthquake, cyclones. Right answer option D, cyclones. Next question. The man-made cause for the flood is options are silting river beds, melting of snow, tropical cyclones, faulty irrigation. Right answer option D, faulty irrigation. Next question. Tsunamis are large waves generated by options are flood, landslide, earthquakes, cyclones. Right answer option C, earthquakes. Next question. Andaman Nicobar Islands and east coast of India have been affected by options are drought, tsunamis, avalanches, soil erosion. Right answer option B, tsunamis. Next one. The worst natural hazards which often results in a disaster is options are earthquakes, landslides, coastal erosion, floods. Right answer option A, earthquakes. Next one. In India, most of the earthquakes that have occurred earlier were due to options are plate movement, heavy rainfall, epidemics, drought. Right answer option A, plate movement. Next one, the earthquake zone which is known as the zone of moderative intensity is options are the Himalayan zone, the coastal plains, the Malabar regions, the Indo-Gangetic zone. Right answer option D, the Indo-Gangetic zone. Next question, high temperature, calm air and highly saturated air leads to options are floods, cyclones, landslides, earthquakes. Right answer option B, cyclones. Next one, the earthquake zone which is known as zone of minimum intensity is options are the Indo-Gangetic zone, the Himalayan zone, the Peninsula zone, the coastal plains. Right answer option C, the Peninsular zone. Next one, slope reduction, prevention of rock falls along highways. These are preventive measures of options are floods, landslides, cyclones, coastal erosion. Right answer option B, landslides. Okay students, practice this all the important multiple choice questions and we will continue our class with the next lesson most important multiple choice questions. Till then, take care.